Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Atem network token. Ticker symbol is ATEM. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by utilizing those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Atem is a decentralized content creation protocol aiming at helping creators tokenize their content and build Web3 native communities via NFTs. Utilizing the Atem protocol, they built Web3 community social platform Atem Chat, a Web3 review sharing platform Atem Review to help creators build connections with their communities and create exclusive token-gated experiences. Now there is a total supply here of 200 million Atem tokens. And right now they have 1,308 holders. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain, 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a total supply of 62,273,824.15 Atem tokens. And that is also the max total supply. So this token just got a brand new listing today on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. It gets listed today, November 16th, 11 o'clock UTC time on Mexc. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ATEM, and then simply just buy the token. So it's a decentralized content creation protocol helping creators to tokenize their content and build Web3 native communities via NFTs. Utilizing Atem protocol, they built the Atem Chat, the Atem Review. Currently, Atem Chat has attracted over 30,000 users, created over 7,000 NFT groups. Atem Review has attracted over 200,000 users, created over 400,000 content on Arweave, generated over 2.5 million interactions, and reached over 10,000 DAU. Previously, we have also hosted Infinity Gems campaign for Web3 creators and fans. Over 30,000 addresses have joined, and over 130,000 Infinity Gems have been minted on the BNB chain. So, if you want to learn in depth about, what is NFTs, just the basics of crypto, they have all that on their white paper. You can find their socials. They have a Twitter at Atem_network. They have a Discord group. They have a webpage with all the links, atem.io. That's where you could find the full white paper. They have links to the Atem Review, Atem Chat, protocol, airdrop button, all sorts of things on their webpage as well. So Atem's solution here, it says to solve the problems for creators, Atem is building a decentralized content creation protocol to help creators tokenize their content. On top of it, a Web3 community social platform is built, Atem Chat, where creators engage with their fans based on the same membership NFTs they hold. Even more, a Web3 review sharing platform, Atem Review, where users can discover and share their reviews on Web3 and build Web3 native connections via creators, via content NFTs and creator NFTs. In the future, we will explore more Web3 native apps built on top of the connection between creators and fans, which are stored on decentralized protocols. Atem is a decentralized content creation protocol. They have the decentralized storage. Content generated on Atem protocol will be stored on Arweave plus IPFS, where creators can own their content without the platform, and the content can be shared and distributed permissionlessly in Web3, which will help creators to reach out to their true fans. Also, content ownership. We have designed several functions for creators to tokenize their own content. Credential SBT, where creators can mint their content on SBT. With the help of SBT, creators can claim the original writer of certain content and build their on-chain credentials. They also have content NFT for content creators. They can launch corresponding NFTs for users to collect and trade. Creators can decide the amount of NFTs and initial price. This can help creators tokenize their content and build a creator-centered creator economy without the platform. Then they have the creator NFTs, where they can launch their own NFTs as a method to connect and manage their own communities. Fans can join the membership club of creators by claiming creator membership NFTs, and Web3 native communities can be built upon the creator NFTs. Utilizing Atem protocol, creators can create their Web3 native content and build relationships with their fans on-chain via NFTs. Users can connect with creators via different platforms and build connections with the help of the Atem protocol. So the use cases here for the Atem Review are Web3 identity verification, Web3 native content, content NFTs, social incentives. The use cases for Atem Chat are token-gated communities, P2B NFT transactions. So they have their seed funding partners on here. There's about 9 of them on there. You can check that out. So yeah, the Atem Chat has over 30,000 users, over 7,000 NFT groups, so they're doing very well. Looks like they're partners with Infinity Gems. They're having a campaign with those. They're also partners with BNB Chain, CyberConnect, Fox Wallet, Vision, CoinHub, etc. Tons of those. The Atem Review, over 130,000 users, 300,000 content, and 2 million plus interactions on there. So they're doing very well. You can check out all the information on their Twitter, on their webpage, on their white paper. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where this token just got listed. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.